On a bright sunny day, I have started from Whiskey Nala and my today's destination is Pang. Another settlement, temporary settlement of 10 dhabas near an army camp. It is around 30 kilometers from here, so I expect today to be gonna be an easy day. There is one mountain pass on the way, the Lachulungla. That's like around 16,000 feet. The climb is gonna be tough, I know. That's why I have kept my distance for today short, because soon I will have to take on the Tanglangla, the highest point of the whole ride, in next 2 days. The weather is good. The road is freshly tarred and resurfaced. Last night was very cold and uncomfortable, could not sleep well, and I still have very mild symptoms of altitude sickness. I'm losing my appetite and my sleep. There is a constant headache. But I'll keep pushing on till I reach Leh. In Pang, I also hope to get some mobile network through my Airtel SIM or through the Wi-Fi of some dhaba, so that I can talk to my wife and my son. It has been 2 days since I have had any communication with them. I think the climb is gonna start soon for Lachulungla. So let's go. Yeah, that's the pass. Lachulungla, more than 16,000 feet high. It was a very tough climb from Whiskey Nala because of the altitude. And I think my rear tire has a very small puncture. Keeps losing air very slowly, so I have to frequently stop, top it up with air. Wow, excellent weather, amazing. Whew. Wow, amazing. Right now I'm standing at Lachungla, or also called Lachulungla. They have changed the word. Earlier it was Lachulungla. One of the highest mountain passes in the Ladakh region. It's a wonderful feeling, earning each pass with your effort. Sometimes every turn of the pedal makes me think that I should give up. I should take a lift. I should stop some vehicle, throw my cycle at the back, grab a seat and just sleep. But I don't know why I keep doing it. Maybe I would know by the end of this trip. Now, the road conditions don't look good, but at least there won't be any climb till Pang, my destination for today. Yeah, it's great. Very serene and peaceful. You can see the surroundings. $16,616 feet. And when I started from Goa, where I live, the elevation is 56 feet. Isn't it amazing? But my body has adapted well, at least till now. Last night while having dinner and today at the breakfast also, I felt that slight thing about AMS, loss of appetite. Eating something has become so difficult. Let's see. I hope it will pass away. So, on to Pang now. My first flat of the trip. अच्छी बात यह है, it happened when it is sunny, no rain. Yeah, there is some dust because work is going on. Okay, so let's fix this. I've already removed the wheel. What I'm gonna do is just change the tube. I'll patch it up later on. I'm back on the bike again after fixing the flat. Met some interesting people, the BRO engineers. Had lunch with them. Nice guys. This guy Jagseer from Punjab. He's been working here for 3 years. Offered me his food. Helped me locate the puncture also. Now Pang is like only a stone's throw away. Soon I would be there. Then I guess I would clean my bike. It is very dirty now, especially the drivetrain.